Hey everybody, this is RDC Rob, or Papa, as my granddaughter likes to call me. And I haven't posted a YouTube video in a while, so I just kind of wanted to touch base with everybody, let you know what was going on. My wife and I had to move out of the home we were in, and we were in a transition phase, so my layout is in storage. But I did shoot a bunch of video, and I wanted to create a layout tour, so hopefully the roofers aren't going to make too much noise while I do this. But since I took down the layout and put it in storage about a month ago, I've suddenly got hooked on HO and On30, and I can thank my friend Bob Pfeiffer for that. I'm thinking about, if I start a Patreon page, I have t-shirts with my R&R logo, my R&R HO&30 logo, maybe another t-shirt that says it's all Bob's fault. But anyway, my first HO&30 project was actually a box cap, and this is, stop banging up there. This is the box cap. The doors slide on it. Anyway, this is a kit I purchased off eBay. Take a regular Plymouth switcher, like this is the old shell, and this is the chassis underneath, and you can build this kit to fit on that shell. The door seems to be locked. Maybe there's somebody inside that doesn't want us to see them. All right. Oh, there we go. We got the door open. And there is a guy inside there. He's got his back turned to us. So, yeah, he's being antisocial right now. I mean, he's got this side of the... Oh, hey, I got the door open. All right, I don't know. He looks like he's giving us a little attitude there. I built these boxes in here to cover up the motor. It does have a headlight on it that functions. And I still want to get a HO&30 bell, the brass bell that fits on there. I shot some pictures of this out in the sunlight, and I will share those with you. But this was my first HO&30 project. And my second HO&30 project is this boxcar. The bottom is a Bachmann HO&30 underframe, freight car underframe. And good, there it goes, now it pops loose. So there's the inside floor. I did make it out of sticks. Those are a particular type of craft stick. The boxcar itself, though, is actually made out of styrene. So that slips on there. This is styrene sliding door. The track's actually made out of a styrene I-beam. And I made the roof walk here out of wood. The roof itself is actually styrene, but it's it's supposed to be like corrugated roofing. So I have to do a little more weathering on that. I want to put a ladder over here and grab irons here. I do have grab irons around here somewhere. There they go. I've got Titchy Train Group grab irons, 18-inch drop style, 50 pieces in O scale. This is HO&30, which is basically an O scale locomotives and freight cars that run on a narrow gauge HO scale track. I do have wire to make my handrails here, and the plan is that the handrail will go all the way through here and it will extend on the inside, so that will actually be my stop for my doors there. So I kind of did a little weathering on it. The ladders are going to be 3D printed. I'm working on some of that stuff. I'll tell you more about that in a moment. And then I'll put grab irons here. So that's what I still have to do on that. My third HO&30 project was this speeder. This is made out of wood and styrene. The motive power is a Bachmann Gandy Dancer in HO scale. I measured all this, based it off of a drawing. I will drop in a picture of the photo that inspired this. But if I can point out a few details here, this is all scratch built. This here, this wood plank that makes up the bumper, so to speak, that actually is wood. All this wood though is actually styrene. This chain was something I got at Walmart, real cheap. I painted it with spray paint, black, gray, and red primer to give it that weathered look. And these tools back here were purchased off eBay. I don't remember who I got it from, but I'll post a link in my description if you guys want to look for that. These are ON30 scale tools. The roof is made out of styrene. These are actually little Titchy train rivets, these here. But these rivets here, before these came in, these here, I actually drilled holes and stuck the smallest styrene rod I had in there and snipped those off and then carved them. And my current project, I have two current projects, one in ON30 and one in HO. This is an ON30 tank car. It's painted red and yellow because I want to make it like a firefighting tank car. And on this end, I'm going to have a gas-powered water pump. And the way I designed it, there'll be a pipe that comes off here, runs across, connects to the pump, and the water will come out here. And I have designed that in 3D on Tinkercad, and I will share with you a quick picture of that design. And then I have a box cab that'll go along with this, and it'll be the two of them together. It'll be like a firefighting unit in ON30. And my other project, I'm in the works of it right now. This is not mine. This is my friend's locomotive. Roundhouse Products Shay 3 truck Shay number 370 is probably the part number. And this is the old yellowed instruction sheet. And we had a couple pieces missing on this. We had the steps missing, and we had the little stanchions here for the handle that raises the coupler pin. So the handle, I have wire I can bend for the handle, but I don't have the pins for the stanchion pins for mounting that. So I have designed that in 3D, and we're going to try and print those this week. So my stepson and I are working in resin printing right now. We're getting ready to start using a PLA printer. Both the printers are my stepson's, but I am doing the design work on my stuff, and he's printing it out. And eventually, I hope to have some items that I can offer for sale for anybody who needs help with their kit. So that's everything I've got going on right now. So I just want to give you guys an update. And one more project I forgot. My very first ON30 project. This was actually my very first ON30 project. I will post a picture of it. And it was a Disney 100th anniversary locomotive from Hawthorne Village. I purchased this for like $29, and it was not running. It had a broken gear. I put a new gear in it and got it running again, and decided to repaint it because I didn't like all the bright blue. And I've got a lot of stuff done on it. There's still some details that need to be finished on it. But this was actually the very first one I did. And I will post some of the pictures from this. When my wife and I get our new house, I'll be excited to put my 4x9 foot modular layout up and build a shelf layout for the ON30 stuff. So anyway, all these projects, I'm going to make individual videos of each of these projects to share with you when I get time to sit down and do all my editing, which I should do next week. And I want to thank you all for subscribing to the channel. We are at like 180, maybe 185 subscribers. So I'm looking forward to us to reaching that 200 mark. So anyway, this is RDC Rob, also known as Papa, my granddaughter. And I want to thank you for being a subscriber to R&R Rail Service. And if you are not a subscriber to R&R Rail Service, HO Scale Model Railroading, and also now ON30, please subscribe down there and click the little bell icon so you can be notified when any other videos come out. Thank you very much.